My country people, una welcome back to my channel today. Shaun fans and Victoria fans, they don't come for online to come give themselves better gbas over wetin don dey happen since the show start. And also, certain housemates don dey trend because of their drama since morning till this evening. So different conversations don happen today, different drama don happen today wey be say people they don dey talk about am since morning. I talk about certain housemates like the likes of Zion, Zinwe, we dey talk about Double K, they talk about Checkers and Shatoria. I go start with Zinwe because now then I start the conversation for the day. So according to Zion, in the morning, they try to explain to him girlfriend wey be say they call Chinwe, say he dey very happy say na only him and him girlfriend na be the only two couples wey dey for inside the Big Brother house. So the girlfriend come tell am say no, not be like that. So say she dey very aware of wetin dey sup between the double K's, which is Cassia and her husband. So further reveal to say she dey pay close attention to Cassia husband wedding ring finger. The line of the this thing, the ring they show for the guy hand. She and her partner wey be say they call Zion come talk say they go plan together to destroy the marriage, since two of them not gree come out openly to come tell people say see oh, we are married. So according to Chinwe, she say wetin she go do be say she go pick between Victoria or Anita to help her run the paro. So Zion can't give her suggestions. So I say okay, may use Victoria, they scatter the two of them. She can't say no, say Victoria not get the strength to take run that type of thing. Boyfriend on the other hand, they claim to say it go good, say may they go through with this particular game. Say even if they succeed, they succeed. If they not succeed, may they not succeed. Say after all, everywhere go still boss, because the man, Cassia husband, the guy don't they move in a certain way. When I remember say when Cassia enter inside the Big Brother house, the confession as well be say she do before she enter Big Brother house, she talk say her husband don't cheat on her before. So, and for those of us who say they watch the show, you go see to say get the way we say that her guy they move. Be say make Cassia husband not lose guard for inside that house, because they don't date for 10 years before they come married. Their marriage is just 5 months old. I don't know who advised those people make they enter Big Brother house. So coming to the double case, Cassie on the other hand, it's like in every moment, night she and her husband, that they need reassurance from each other. Cassia, she had a conversation with Toby today where we say she did explain certain things about her marriage to the guy. According to her, she say her husband I actually bring the suggestion of them entering into the Big Brother. Say for her, she was not interested. Say that the man I persuade her and make her enter into the Big Brother house. So Toby come they try to tell her to make she not feel bad about, and say there's actually a purpose for waiting sup between she and her husband. So of now where we say no they watch the show, and for those where we say they watch them, Toby na person where we say try shoot it short with Cassia. And with the way the guy they shake Cassia, she just they laugh up and down. Una not to say we women once we don't they like what man they talk, we go just they laugh, they sunt it up and down. Cassia fans on the other hand, they claim to say she not the fall for the guy, say she just they play the game. But to me, from the way she they laugh, what they see for there, I think she they attracted to the guy, or she they enjoy the toasting where the guy they toast her. So the Toby that they talk about marriage plans and all of that, saying a Yoruba guy, say that they sabi take care of women and all of that. So Cassie Cotton to say okay, well, say she, one of her auntie, actually marry a Yoruba guy, say, and the marriage just scatter like this. Toby on the other hand, they try to reassure her to say, well, say him believe to say she and him and Cassia, they go actually make a very strong couple. So Cassia Cotton and say it's too late, bro. She can't stand up, come on. So the conversation to end. My own be say, me, I like married people where we're not good lie. I respect marriage a lot. So that's why anytime I see person collect person husband or collect person wife, that thing they always it invest me way. I just believe to say person will be saying married, people are not even supposed to put there after waiting Tega and Boma, waiting happen between Tega and Boma, but I don't know what people that get with married people. Also Shaun and Victoria matter. The particular conversation where Victoria make today with Surge now make Shaun fans vex. According to her, she says she and Shaun they not get anything special. Say their friendship started like 3 years ago. Say at first, she say not be about traveling for them. Say two of them actually own a restaurant before they come embark on the traveling together. She said there's no strings attached, nothing, just besties. those of us wey don dey notice such movement, the guy actually dey interested in Victoria. But since Victoria enter into the Big Brother house, with the way such dey talk about Shaun dey give Victoria don tire. She come dey tell am say whether na Shaun dey go talk about for the whole day or something. Such on the other hand come dey respond to her to say no, say I dey try to talk to you about something else, but you dey divert the thing to Shaun. So that very brief conversation between her and Such na come make Shatoria shippers converse. Shaun fans dey come dey call out Victoria say after all say she dey useless for inside the house, say she dey very boring, she no dey do anything, she no dey contribute anything, say na only Shaun na get strong fan base. But wetin dis people no know be say Victoria on the other hand, she get very strong fan base for wetin I don observe so far for all the social media platform. Shaun on the other hand, he don dey lose his fans to Wani because of your obsession ship wey be say e do with that girl. I no know wetin dey go on with everybody this season. Everybody just dey do ship left, right, center, like e just be as if na Love Island we dey watch, which no make any sense to me. I no go lie say Victoria she dey too calm for this season, but she fit eventually pick up along the line. Shaun on the other hand na dey pity for, because Wani, if una go everywhere na Wani na dey trend everywhere, which means Wani don start to dey collect Shaun fans. Na so e dey always be when two people, man and woman, dey for ship, na the woman dey always collect the fan base pass. Shaun just enter inside Big Brother house, you never even, your leg never touch ground, you don dey do mumu ship. Now listen to the conversation between Shatoria fans.
Your own fan base because of you, because your get this ship with Shaun. You don't like Victoria. I don't even know why that one. I want to enter into a ship. Don't do that, girl. Please. 2 days into a show, you went to enter into a fucking ship. Where have you seen a ship favor the men before? Men life don't matter. Where are sheep? Where are sheep? Your girl's tattoo is boring, so which is okay. And Onyeka's blood sister too, she's boring, which is okay. A lot of them, their partners, they're boring. So why are you people picking on Victoria alone? She's the only boring one there. No, people should stop. Stop, please. I don't understand. Like me, I'm just like, people should allow the girl to breathe. You guys always do this to any light skinned girl you see inside there. If she doesn't start shouting or dressed up in a mad way or acting like a crazy person, people will say, she's fine. She doesn't want to do anything. She's just sitting down there doing nothing. People should let her breathe. Nelly is there. Onyeka is there. Wani is there. Kesia is there. The other one, Chinwe and Auntie, all of them are in there that are giving the, that behavior that people like. Go and stand them. I mean, honestly, this whole thing is just really annoying, and people coming on here to even continue saying it, I don't get it. I actually don't want to even understand the thought process, because other people are giving. Focus on the people giving and leave Victoria alone now. I don't understand. And it's boring. It cannot, if I can't understand.
You can't just come for Victoria. I don't know, maybe these people did not watch BB Titan.
They did not watch it.
If you watch BB Titan,
double wahala then. It was.
That is what I'm saying. If they watch BB Titan, then you understand this game very well.
Somebody will not raise hand to talk.
I raised my hand.
You stop wahala between Lolu and Sisi. Lolu don't have fans. It was smart fans. We were carrying everything then. You dare not say Lolu is this or that, even if he does not have fan base. Look at the people. They are saying your this is boring. She's boring. She's this. And after today, I'm not saying anything again. If they like, let them.
Una don hear wetin dey talk now. Everybody go do alright. So the housemates today, they did their first diary section, and the housemates they talk about who they don't bond with so far. But the particular diary section where we say make me laugh na undi is it indi ne mama, something like that, indi ne also. Because according to them, the verse to say the Mbadiwe twins actually not give them face when they first enter into the Big Brother house. Say, but immediately Big Brother give them that custodian title, the boys start to suck up to them. Chinwe wey be say be the auntie of Nne don talk to say the reason why be say she dey close to the Mbadiwe twins na to do revenge on them. Me for one, I no fit wait for that revenge wey be say they won't do the Mbadiwe twins. Before I end my video, I wan talk about Onyeka. Onyeka na person wey be say since morning till this night, Onyeka don dey move sneaky. that girl just dey go everywhere, go gossip this one, e go tell this boy this one, e go tell this person this one. It's as if the girl na just instigator. You go think say she no know wetin she dey do. That girl dey very active for inside that house. That girl na one person wey be say the housemate needs to look out for, because the way she dey move, that girl fit win this show. Take care, una bye.